dumpster rental service in Victoria, Texas. Need a trustworthy dumpster rental service in Victoria, Texas? B&E Site Services has got you covered. We provide high-quality, affordable dumpster rentals for residential, commercial, and construction projects. Whether you're decluttering your home, working on a renovation, or managing a job site, we make waste disposal easy. We offer a variety of dumpster sizes, allowing you to choose the perfect option for your project. No job is too big or small. We handle everything from minor cleanups to large-scale construction waste removal. Our roll-off dumpsters are designed to hold all types of debris, making the process smooth and efficient. At B&E Site Services, we take pride in our transparent pricing. There are no hidden fees or unexpected charges, just fair, competitive rates that fit your budget. We believe that quality service should also be affordable. We also prioritize customer satisfaction. Our friendly team is always available to help you choose the right dumpster size and answer any questions about proper waste disposal. Call us at 979-616-6858 today for a fast, dependable dumpster rental service. Let us handle the waste so you can easily focus on your project.